Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your Binance account's password using Android. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your Binance account's password for security reasons, first tap Open Binance application. Once you do that, make sure that you're logged in as well. Tap the human icon located at the upper left-hand corner from the main homepage of Binance and scroll down to Security right under Payments Method. In your security page, scroll down to Password and tap it on. It says that if you continue to change your password, your withdrawals and any kind of a modification of security method will not be permitted. Tap on Continue to move forward and type in your old password in the first text box. Your old password means the current password you are using for your Binance account. Once you type in your old password, head over to the new password and type in the new password you're trying to change to. Confirm the password in the last text box by retyping it again. Make sure that the password in the new password and confirm password text box matches, and finally tap on Submit in order to change your password for Binance. Soon after you tap Submit, you'll be able to change your password for your Binance account using Android right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.